Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Now I am making different types of egg omelets with the steaming method, and it is very healthy too for diet control and low oil and with the lots of vegetables, carrot chop, capsicum chop, onion chop, tomato chop, green chili chop and beans chop, green flakes and salt, and finally eggs for tempering, onion slice, curry leaves and coriander leaves, tomato chop, chili, dry chilies and tempering for. Catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Once again, check the ingredients. Eggs, chili flakes, salt and veggies for tempering, and chili powder and little bit of turmeric. Take one egg, whisk it nicely, add little bit of salt and chili flakes, again whisk it, when you are pouring in this pan, brush it nicely with the oil, coat it nicely, then add chili flakes and salt omelette, again take one more egg, whisk it nicely, then add carrots chop and beans chop, and little bit of salt and chili powder. Whisk it, then pour it on another side. Again take one more egg, whisk it, then add onions and tomato chop, and green chilies chop. Again whisk it. Add tomato onion omelette on steaming method. Again take one more egg. Beat it nicely. Then add capsicum chops, and carrot chop, salt, and if you want you can add a little bit of chili flakes. Then whisk it. Capsicum carrot omelette on steaming. Again take one more egg. Directly you pour on this. Like this, and add salt and chili flakes on top. Take one more egg. Beat it nicely. And pour on this top. Then steam it on the idli cooker. Keep it on this and steam it. The water is boiled. Keep the omelets pan on the inside. Then steam it for 8 to 10 minutes and rest for 5 minutes, then remove it. 8 minutes is over, so I am removing. Wow, you can see the different types of steamed omelets. Capsicum, plain omelette, beans, carrot, now I am demolding the omelets. Mixed omelette, plain mixed omelette. This is whole egg omelette. Beans and carrot, remove slowly. Beans, carrot, and this is salt and chili flakes omelette, and tomato, onion, green chili omelette. And finally, capsicum omelette. I like capsicum. You can see 6 types of omelettes. And this is onion tempering with red chilies and coriander. It is mixed on the plain. See, now I'm tasting. Chili flakes and salt omelette, beans, veggies cooked well. And tomato, onions omelette. Steaming food is best for healthy diet and low calories too. And this is capsicum. And finally, tadaka omelette. With chili powder and turmeric on tempering. Nice spicy. And finally, the whole egg. And this is yellow. Steamed boiling eggs is very tasty and it's very creative to see also. Thanks for watching.